This is the session of transaction of financial accounts, authorized check, check payment. So first we are opening the authorized check. What is authorized check? We are using authorized check in case of suppose we are having multiple suppliers and multiple suppliers having multiple bills posted in purchase journal single for and then it is pending for making payment. So by, as you know, by using payment voucher we can pay for one vendor multiple bills at a time, but by using this authorized check and next form is the check print, by using these two form we can make payment to multiple supplier with multiple bills. So I will tell you how. This is the authorized check. Now just we have to put the collect data. So what will happen, how many vendors having how many pending bills, all will come in a single screen. All things will come, just you have to select one by one which vendors and which bills you want to make payment. Just select all the bills and save it. So this will treat as a we accounts department having authorized these bills to make payment. So I selected for ABC 2 bills, for Abhishek Kumar Shah 2 bills, for Ajanta Pharma 2 bills, Compenter 1 bill, CPV 1 bill. So we selected and just save it. So what will happen? These bills will treat as approved from this this will treat as approved by the account head for making the payment. Next, now next screen is the check print. In what is check print? In check print, all the approved bills will come at a time for making payment, and it will come vendor wise. Suppose we authorized for 10 suppliers, 10 or 12 bills. So here it will come with sum of all the bills particular vendor wise. So I will show you how. So we'll select here the same bank ledger, we'll do the collect data. So it will come here for ABC we approved. So it came here. Now next here details. If we click on detail, then it will show you what are the bills are available in this 9,000. So in 9,000 one bill is there which having invoice number this, and raised two bills, one is the GRN and one is the return. So this get nullify and net is the 9,000. So 9,000 only coming for the make payment. Just here we have to click on the pay. Here you can see in the grid also it will come the same thing. No need to click on the detail button, and here you can put the check number or NEFT. If you click N, automatically NEFT will come. What the check date will come by default today's date. Just you have to click on save. So automatically payment voucher will generate. How, I will show you. We made here check print, we paid for ABC ledger 9,000 rupees. Now I will show you how to check. It is created one payment voucher. This is the payment voucher. We went in search. Now date. So we here our check date is the 18/12/2019. So the voucher will generate on the same date 18/12/2019. We just click on the search. You will get here subject name ABC voucher number 5. So you can see here this is the voucher which we created from the check print. HDFC Bank ledger created 9,000 and supplier 9,000. Now in payment grid you will get the bills. Which bills we have selected. So this is the flow of check, authorized check and check print. How to use? So basically we are using to reduce the resource and time to make payment. Here we can make payment for multiple vendor and multiple bills at a time. This is the utility of these two forms.